Good.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Did you had a great time at school or you're very tired?
Yeah. Good time.
Good time. Okay. I had a great time.
I have a great time.
Oh, that's great. Did you do your homework?
No.
Oh my God. Why not? What happened? Why you didn't do your homework? Were you were you busy?
Yes.
Ah, I understand. Okay. Anyway, today we're going to continue the lesson of the little red hen. So let me share my screen with you. Wait, I'll just make it a little bit big so you can see it well. Wait. You tell me if you can see my screen, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes, I can.
Yes, you can. Okay. We're going to continue the one that we were watching yesterday. Let me know if you can hear the sound.
Yes.
Yes, you can. There's a commercial. Okay. I think yesterday we are in the middle of the story, right? Wait.
She asked her friends to help her grind the wheat into flour.
Okay. We are now
Dog play in the mud today.
here.
Harvest. The wheat had grown
Okay.
tall and strong. So the little red
You can hear it?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's start.
hen decided to ask her friends to help her thresh the wheat. Cow, will you help me thresh the wheat?
Not I. Not I. I want to rest in my barn today.
Pig, will you help me thresh the wheat?
Not I. Not I. I want to play in the mud today.
Dog, will you help me thresh the wheat?
Not I. Not I. I want to find my bone in the doghouse today.
Okay, now, did her friends help her?
No.
No. Okay. I'm sorry, Sebastian. I cannot see your video. Is
It's
there any problem? It's okay?
problem.
Ah, okay, it's all right. So you will say, no, they didn't. Okay? Can you say
Okay.
it?
Okay.
Read it, please.
No, they didn't.
Okay, now let's continue.
Okay, then I will do it all alone. No one helped Little Red Hen, so once again she had to do all the work by herself. So she threshed the wheat. After she finished, she asked her friends to help her grind the wheat into flour. Who will help me grind the wheat into flour? Cow, will you help me grind the wheat into flour?
Not I. Not I. It's too close to milking time.
Pig, will you help me grind the wheat into flour?
Not I. Not I. It is too close to supper time.
Dog, will you help me grind the wheat into flour?
Not I. Not I. It is too close to supper time.
Okay, then I will do it.
Okay, now, did the friends help her again? Did her friends help her again?
No.
No. Do you think, Sebastian, her friends are good or bad?
Um, yeah,
Yes, okay, you will say, I think
I think
they are bad friends.
they are best friends.
Yes, because they don't want to help the hen. That's very sad. Okay, let's
So the little red
continue.
hen ground the wheat into flour all by herself. The little red hen decided to bake her flour into bread. She decided to give her friends another chance to help her. Who will help me bake this flour into bread? Cow, will you help me bake this flour into bread?
Not I. Not I. I don't know how to bake.
Pig, will you help me bake this flour into bread?
Not I. Not I. I don't know how to bake.
Dog, will you help me bake this flour into bread?
Not I. Not I. I don't know how to bake.
Okay, then I will do it. The little red hen baked the bread all by herself. When it
Okay,
was done,
what did she bake?
She baked
She bakes the, what is that? She bakes the, what do you call this? She bakes the bread.
she bakes the bread.
Yes, okay. Sebastian, you have to listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's continue.
she let it cool for a while. Before she knew it, the time came to cut and eat the bread. Looking around, she didn't see anyone. I wonder who will help me eat this bread.
I will.
Oh no.
I will. I will.
No, you won't. I did all the work. I get the rewards of that work. This bread.
Wow, okay. Now, after baking the bread, what did she do? After baking the bread, what did she do? Did she give it? Did she sell it? Did she eat it?
She did it.
Yeah, she eats the bread. Yes, can you read it?
She
Sebastian,
eats
read this
the
one.
bread.
Yeah, she eats the bread. Okay, now we're going to do a discussion, okay?
Okay.
Wait, let's start with the first one. What did the little red hen find? What did she find?
You're
She
fine.
finds a cell phone, a juice, or a seed.
She's fine. Or seed.
Okay, can you read it?
She finds a seed.
She found a
With seed.
wheat seed. Okay, next. Did her friends help her plant the seed?
No.
Why or what? No, why not? They are?
They
Okay, read it.
no, they didn't. It's too sunny to do it.
Okay, now let's have the next one. Did her friends help her with the seed? Yes or no?
No,
No, because why not? Because
because
okay, Sebastian. Next time you have to watch the movie, okay? Because
okay.
it's going to be very difficult for you. Okay, read the answer.
No, they didn't. They
The weather.
the weather is very pleasant to do any work.
Okay, next. Did the cow help the little red hen thresh the wheat?
No,
No, because oh, Sebastian, there is the answer. Read it.
no, he didn't. He he wanted to rest in his barn.
Okay. Next, vocabulary practice. What is this picture?
Mm, this is fun.
Okay, sentence please.
This is a fun.
Okay, next.
Mm, this is chicken. Ham.
Okay, next.
This is a ham. This is a seed.
Okay,
This are seed.
very good. Next.
This are
What is it?
this is garden.
Okay, next.
This is plant.
Yes, read it. Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, read it first.
Sunshine. Wind. Garden. Weather.
Weather.
Weather. Farm. Wheat. Nothing. Herself. Server.
Several.
Several. Alone. Bright. Sunny. Hungry. Russia. Plant.
Rushed.
Rush. Plant. Help. Tenting. Trish.
Thresh.
Rest. Repent.
Ripened.
Ripen. Plant. Do. Read.
Okay, do you understand all those words?
Yes.
Okay, no problem with it?
Yes.
Okay, let's have another vocabulary.
Ham. Wheat seed. Sunshine. Wheat. Garden. Weather. Reset.
Pleasant.
Reset. Herb. Herb.
Perhaps.
Perhaps.
Okay, next. Read the 10 key expressions.
Once upon a time, there was a young beautiful princess with long golden hair.
Number 2.
I shall go to sleep. Good night. It is her first time to go to school all by herself. Days went by and nothing else changed. They, He lives all alone.
Perhaps.
Perhaps the weather will change this evening. Please tell her that I am on my way home. Can you help me carry these bags, please? I want to go home and get some rest.
Starting today,
Starting today, I will always do my
assignment.
assignment.
Yes. Now there are some Korean characters. Do you understand them?
Yes.
Okay. We're now going to have the next discussion. Okay, wait. Okay, let's start. Did the pig help the little red hen grind the wheat into flour?
No.
No. Okay, can you read?
No, he didn't. It was close to super time.
Supper
Supper time.
time. Supper time meaning dinner time. Do you understand?
Yes.
Supper meaning dinner.
Okay.
Next, who ground the wheat into flour? Is it
Hmm.
the pig, the cow, the hen, the dog?
Uh, cow.
Is it the cow? No, read it.
The the little red hen ground the wheat into flour.
Okay, next. What did the little red hen bake? What did he cook or what did she cook?
She she bakes bread.
Yes, very good. Okay, next. Did the little red hen give some bread to her friends?
No.
No, because. Read it,
No.
please.
No, she didn't. She did all the work.
Yes, if you are the little red hen and your friends did not help you, are you going to give them bread?
No.
No, because they didn't help you. They are all bad, right?
Okay.
Do you have friends who are like cow, pig, and dog?
No.
No, you don't have friends like that. So your friends are nice.
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, what is this picture?
This is for me.
Wheat. Okay, next.
This is a wheat.
Okay, next picture.
This is a house.
It's a barn.
Barn.
House of the cow. Okay, next.
This is a barn.
Okay, next one.
This is a bone.
Yes, okay, read it.
This is a bone.
Very good. Okay, now Sebastian, your homework. Okay, this is going to be your homework. Your homework is that you're going to watch movie again. Okay?
Okay.
Then after, you have to watch the new movie that I sent you. Okay?
Okay.
Because tomorrow we're going to continue our lesson and discuss the new topic. Okay?
Okay.
Can you promise me that you're going to watch those videos?
Yes.
Can you? Yes, promise?
Mm,
Okay, try it. Bye, Sebastian.
bye.